morning. Welcome to the social science class. Today we are going to discuss about changing lifestyle. Our elder generation work hard in farms and fields. As new employment awareness developed, the new generation's affinity towards agriculture declined. All these sectors offered better returns, agriculture got neglected. Keralites slowly shifted from agriculture, which generally demands more physical exertion. This caused many changes in healthcare and lifestyle of the people. Keralites slowly shifted from agriculture because agriculture need more physical exertion. This caused many changes in healthcare and lifestyle of the people. Changes in lifestyle are said to be the chief cause of many new generation diseases such as hypertension, heart disease, diabetes, etc. These are collectively known as lifestyle diseases. Diseases such as hypertension, heart diseases, diabetes, etc. collectively known as lifestyle diseases. Today, waste disposal is one of the major problems faced by the Keralites who shifted from the rural life to an urban one. People shifted from the rural area to the urban area. Even in village, the waste disposal measures are insufficient. It is high time we prepared and executed plans to transform the biodegradable waste generated at home into organic manure. This can be used in our vegetable garden and farms. Today, there are many ways to treat waste without the stench. The biodegradable waste generated at home can be used for making vermicompost. Making biogas from biodegradable waste is another method. The government provides subsidy for constructing biogas plants. List the changes that occurred in the lifestyle of Keralites who shifted from the agro-based culture. Our old generation worked hard in farms and fields, so they did not have any special exercise. But in modern machine age, physical labor is less used. It results many diseases. People were using natural food in the olden times. The food was cooked in the home itself. But at present, we are depending fast food to save time. We are using bakery items from shops which are artificially colored along with taste making. Bakery food, packed food and chocolates are used in very large quantities. Are you like chocolates? Now we are using very small quantities of jackfruit, mango, which are cultivated in the compound of the houses. People are fond of buying vegetables and fruits from market and shops. Most of the people like artificial and cool drinks instead of tender coconut and fruit juices. The food crops which cultivated outside of Kerala are also became a part of our foodstuff. A remarkable change has come in food habits of the people of Kerala. Foods other than those made from rice have gained frequent use in our diet. Nowadays, we led a busy life. We did not consider any value to relationship. Increase in the production cost, lack of laborers in agriculture, lack of interest in cultivation, and the less profit gained from agriculture forced our people to migrate into Gulf countries for seeking jobs. Gulf money changed our culture. Huge flats and rice, even in village areas instead of our traditional homes. Number of old age homes